Maggie's not here either. But the colors look the same and the shape is the same too. We must be missing something.
You know what Sherlock Holmes always says that I always say too.
Look for clues within the rock.
Haha, my Milton. No, Melvin. No, Melton. No name works here. Anyway, my magnifying glass shall take a closer look. Old Craggy Rock's rocks are all light gray in color, and the other rock has flecks of black and greenish color.
There actually are differences, which means we're in the wrong place. I guess I lost Maggie's magnifying glass forever.
Man, oh man. I really thought we'd find some rock clues about where you found this rock.
Me too as well.
I just gotta face facts, you know? I'm gonna go to my Rockstars Club meeting without Maggie. I gotta get used to that, I guess.